Where did this one come from?
Out the front here. Right, okay. Hello, little one. Let me have a look at you. Hello, mister. Yeah. I do this all the time. You're perfectly safe at the moment.
How come you have to kill him if you buy someone?
If he bites or scratches anyone, the health department requires me to euthanize him so they can send him off for testing, because the only way you can test them is to for them to be dead, because they take a piece of their brain to check it. It's not a blood test.
How is he?
I don't know yet. Cranky, which is good, kind of, in a way. They bite. Yes, you have to do the right thing, and well done. Give me this, that's right. I've got your feet now. Let's pop you in here, and let me have a look at you. Who smacked their head? Probably smacked his head. Here's her head, but let me have a look.
So he's alright?
I don't know.
She doesn't know, she's checking him now.
I'm just having a look.
Beautiful Battie. That's a beautiful
Absolutely stunning girl. A little girl. See how her eyes are going slitty?
Yeah.
That indicates that she's hit her head.
She's what? She
hit her head?
Oh, okay. So you reckon it'll be right?
I don't know.
Alright. Be careful with
Okay. Are you moving all your bits? That's the question.
Wow.
And sometimes they've been electrocuted, but she doesn't have any signs of burns on her thumbs, which is usually the spot. I'm hoping she's just smacked her head. And that once she wakes up a bit, that's pain when she's trying to bite something. Now what I do is I give them some glucose, and the glucose helps them combat shock, because their cells need glucose in order to, it's a jelly, you see, to metabolize. So look at that, look at the tongue. I love it when they do. This is glucose.
It's hungry.
This is glucose, just to help combat shock.
What a beautiful animal.
Yeah. No, she's an adult female.
Adult female. That is beautiful. I've never seen one like that. I'm glad I picked it up.
I'm glad you picked it up as well.
Because I thought she was dead.
Yeah.
And I
Was she face down? Face down or face up?
She face down? I can't even fucking remember now.
Okay. Hey. Hey, miss. Okay, do you want to give her a name? Something to do with this shop or something?
Yeah. We'll call her Racy.
Racy?
We'll call her Rogue.
Rogue?
Yeah.
Rogue. You want to be called Rogue? That's a badass name, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, sweetheart, put your feet there and give me this one. That's right, you put your feet up on the top. So we make them lie down.
She wants to go now.
No, we just make them lie down. See, they like to have their feet hooked onto something. Not in there, sweetheart.
Up and at it now. You gave it some energy. Fuck this group straight on.
Okay, but see how she's still slitty-eyed?
Yeah.
She just, she's going, oh yeah, but I've got a terrible headache. So, we cover her up. So what is it? Rogue. We're calling her Rogue.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Road. Oh, road. Yeah.
Road?
Oh, road. Yeah.
Road, like riding.
Road and race.
All right, Road and Race. Well, Road and Race is a good name for her. Okay. I'll let Deb know how it goes.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Thanks for your help. There's nothing wrong with any of that. You can just chuck it that into the recycling and throw that through the wash.
Yeah.
Oh, gorgeous.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
Chicken, that's Ruby.
Chicken and Ruby. You've got an Amazon. Ruby's an Amazon. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. There we are.
She can sing No More Monkeys.
Can you sing? Can you sing? No? I know I'm scary. Can you sing? No, fingers are scary things, are they? You're gorgeous. You're gorgeous too. Tell me all about it. I've got to go. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm going. Bye. Thanks, everyone. Road and Race. Good name. Okay, sweetheart. Oh, you have hit your head, haven't you, love? See how she's hanging, even though she's lying down. She's got her thumbs and her feet up, and she's really got a spacey look in her eyes. That's all right. So it's 130. Hey, it's all right, I've got you. I've got you. Yeah, I know, we're going to give you something for pain. I can feel her biting on the towel. Oh yeah, come on. It's all right. Good, 130. 628. Where's your face? Yeah. Okay, that's not good, that thrashy bit. That's fine. We'll just give her some fluids and let her rest and then see how she is a bit later. But the thrashy bit's not great. Especially not that. And see, it's all just bubbling up nicely under her skin. And this is some Hartmann's with about a quarter of glucose, 5% glucose, the rest is Hartmann's. Okay, great. Here we are. Put your bits up. Put your feet up. That's a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. We'll see how you are in a couple of hours. How's that? Hmm? Hmm? What's going on with you, love? And why do you have poo in your ear? That's what I'd like to know. Okay, well, you're better than I thought. Ankles hanging over the bars isn't good. Extra Get that out of your eye. Yeah, good girl. So how about... No, that's more alert than I thought you were. How about I get you something more for pain? Hello, my love. My little road racer. Put that there. Gently. That's not happy hanging, is it? Hmm? That's just for pain. And while we're at it, it's all right, love. Oh, that's a good girl. Oh, yeah. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Well, let's see if we can get you some glucose. That's a good girl. Well, that indicates that you might like something else. Take you off to a carer? How about I put that in there? That's a good girl. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.